Engineered with innovative cooking technology, the combination oven is a great investment for any busy commercial kitchen. Using pressureless steam, convected heat, and a combination of the two, it's a true culinary workhorse. It not only replaces the traditional convection oven, but it also takes the place of a steamer. Some models can even operate as a proofer, holding cabinet, and slow cooker. And it does it all in the footprint of just one unit. The versatility of a combi oven allows it to steam, poach, roast, fry, bake, stew, and braise. Using the combination mode, even meat is cooked to perfection. As the heat cooks, the steam prevents moisture loss and shrinkage. As a result, you get high-quality, tender meat with crispy skin. And best of all, it's extremely easy. Most combi ovens are programmable, allowing you to upload and download recipes, promoting consistency between locations, and ensuring that even the most inexperienced staff members can perfect a difficult dish. When shopping for a combi, first start with the technical details. Do you need gas or electric? Electric is great for high elevation operations, but gas can increase temperatures more quickly. Next, decide if you want the oven to have a boiler for steam. Boilerless combi ovens create steam with water and a heating element. Finally, talk to your chef and find out what type of controls they prefer. Do they want a touch screen or dial controls? Combi ovens are all about efficiency, so the ideal unit has features that work together to streamline and maximize productivity. With the right combi oven, you can easily improve meal quality, expedite service, and increase profit.